katatapos lang ng ating afternoon shift. I'm just about to have some tea. It smells so good. Huh. Okay. I just had a big dinner. Tapos yung ulam natin sobrang sarap, shrimps. So, ayun. I have to have tea kasi para maging okay naman yung tiyan natin. I'm very sleepy already. Kahapon sobrang struggle ko kasi I drank coffee. Diyos ko. Uminom ako ng kape ng mga 9 p.m. Sino ba naman makakatulog niyan? So I ended up drinking a medication to help me sleep, which I did, pero malapit na mag 6 a.m. But anyway, that's life. I'm gonna do another afternoon shift tomorrow. However, I need to wake up early kasi meron akong gagawin. And then, oh my God, guys, 3 days na lang. I am super duper excited. Pero sa totoo lang, since our trip is gonna be like 20 days, I'm like trying to prepare myself kasi looking at our itinerary, marami kaming mga tours. So, hindi pwede na bigla na lang ako magsasabi na, hey, mag-rest muna ako, ha? Kasi it's gonna be a group tour. So, wala lang. I have to condition my mind na dapat ready ako sa trip namin because I don't want to end up not enjoying it. Kasi, pagod na ako. So, I have to... Girl, dapat vitamins every day. I have to have like energy drink every day. Yun lang. Chika ko lang. Tomorrow is gonna be another shift. Oh my God. Third to the last day tomorrow. So. Today is our third to the last shift. We are doing an afternoon today. Wake up lang tayo. I really had a good sleep, which is good. Pero to the point na muntika na ako hindi magising. Hindi magising sa alarm. Diyos ko. I think nagising ako sa alarm. Pinabayaan ko lang siya. And then I woke up like 20 minutes after. So, nagmadali sinday. Gusto ko talagang manood ng Hello, Love, Goodbye. So, kahit na sobrang busy ng aming schedule ni Michelle, yung itinerary namin, isisingit namin siya before the trip. So, we are gonna go to Sydney Airport. We're gonna drive for 8 hours. Tapos afternoon is, wait muna ha, ito yung kape ko. We are gonna drive for 8 hours on that day. So, ma-arrive siguro kami doon ng mga 3:30 p.m. So, naghanap ako ng cinema that's closer to the airport. Manonood kami. Kasi, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga reviews. Hindi ako papayag na hindi ako makapanood. So, isisingit natin siya. And then, we have booked an accommodation as well sa Sydney Airport because our flight is gonna be on the next day. So, ayun. So, okay lang. At least may panahon pa tayo na matulog ba? Magpahinga. Ay, nako. Ba yan? Nakikita ko yung mga reviews ng mga tao under meron daw sex scenes. Ay. Parang hindi ko ma-imagine si Catherine na gumawa ng ganun. So, I really want to watch it. Tapos makakatngel kaya ako, guys. And now, sila na yung dalawa yung magka-partner, si Alden at saka si Catherine. Nakita ko naman yung Hello, Love, Goodbye. Ang ganda naman nun. Pero I don't know, I feel like their connection right now is different. It's deeper. Ayan. Uy, magkape na ako eh. Yeah, I'm so excited! I'm so excited na matapos na tayo dito. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, you have no idea kung gaano ako ka-stress today. And nagme-makeup tayo dito sa dito sa car. Ay nako. I-share ko na lang sa inyo later, but nagmamadali na tayo kasi busy talaga ako. Masasabi ko lang ngayon is I'm not supposed to do a morning shift today. Ay, inis ako. Gabaan juga. Hopefully it's an honest mistake. Well, 1 hour and a half lang ata ako nakatulog dahil sa mistake. Anyway. Okay. I mean, it's not okay, but what can I do? Ay, hindi masyado halata na wala tayong tulog.
Kado na yung may magong silin?
What silin? I think so, yes. Guys! Second to the last shift. Ting! Tapos na tayo, guys. Yung kanina pala na-check ako sa inyo, yun nga, inask ako kahapon kung gusto ko ba daw mag-afternoon, or pwede ba daw ako mag-afternoon today. Tapos nag-yes ako. Tapos ang nangyari, ewan ko sa kanya, mali pala na date yung ibig pala niya sabihin bukas, tapos hindi naman ako pwede bukas. Hindi mali na ako sinabihan na i-cancel na pala yung change ng roster ko today. So akala ko talaga afternoon ako, pero hindi pala. Morning pala ako. Ay, nako. So, wala akong tulog. Sinabi pa niya sa akin, so tomorrow you come in the afternoon, okay? Not in the morning? Nag-yes pa ako sa kanya. Tapos mali-mali pala lahat. Buti na lang na-correct. Otherwise, kulang sana sila ng staff today. Ang hirap kaya maghanap ng staff in the morning. Tulog pa yung mga tao. So that's what happened, guys, kung bakit wala talaga tayong tulog. Right! We are gonna start packing. Michelle is also starting to pack na. Ako, magpapack na din ako. Andito na yung luggage ko. Naka-ready na. Naka-open na yung ating luggage. Last night pa yan. 2 nights ago. Naka-open na yan siya. So guys, kanina pa si Michelle nasa work and I'm just sorting my life here. Kasi madami tayong mga damit na hindi natin dadalhin sa ating trip. So sineseparate ko lang kung ano ba talaga yung mga dadalhin. Ganito din yung itsura dito, guys. So, na-separate ko na yan. Yan yung mga dadalhin ko. Yan, iiwan ko yan. There's another luggage here. As in, very messy talaga yung 2 kwarto ngayon kasi sinusort out na namin lahat. And yan, meron pa malaking bag dyan. The hell are you doing, babe? Dadalhin yung aking Dyson Airwrap, guys, kasi the goal is to pack light nga. So, ayan. Anyway, all the hotels na pupuntahan namin, meron naman silang hair dryer. Kasi, iniisip ko, ano bang dadalhin ko? Ito ba? Or hair straightener? Hair straightener na lang, kasi then after nito, I'm gonna chill. Mag-chill na ako because I'm gonna do one last shift tomorrow. Morning tayo bukas. That's it, that's it, that's it. There's actually so many great people na nakatrabaho namin dito. And, yun nga, si Michelle nakalimutan niya, may gusto pala magbabay sa kanya kahapon. Tapos umuwi lang siya diretsyo. Hindi man lang nakapagbabay sa kanya. But yeah, daming mababait din dito actually. Of course, hindi naman lahat mabait. May iba nakakainis din. That's always like that naman. Kahit saan ka mapunta, may ganyan talaga. May hindi ka talaga makakasundo. May mga lazy talaga na sobrang maiinis ka. So, ayun. But overall, okay na okay talaga sila. Sabi ko nga, if ever meron silang incentive scheme ulit dito, I don't really mind coming back here. Pero yun nga, you have to think about the accommodation and stuff. I don't know. Very dependent na ako sa sa lugar na pupuntahan namin. I feel like if ever my slight aberya on taking another contract after our next contract, I feel like parang baka ayoko na mag-travel nurse. But yeah, I will let you know anyway. Kasi hindi naman siya, it's not really easy to be a travel nurse. Like, people might think na, easy lang, travel lang. No, it's not. Iba-iba lahat. Kapagod kaya mag-adjust. So, ayun. It's good to be in a place na ma-establish mo yung sarili mo. They know what you're capable of. You don't have to prove yourself to anyone. Just my thoughts. For now. But we'll never know. What I'm gonna bring is this one. Dang! Our GHD na hair straightener. I wish may siya ay mas maliit na container. I'm not gonna bring the box kasi sobrang heavy ng box. I wish meron siyang maliit pa na lalagyan na medyo mas tidy up yung ating wire kasi ganyan lang yung wire. Oh my God, may nadi-discover talaga tayo, guys. In my luggage, I saw this one. Nabili ko to siya sa Changi Airport sa Singapore. It's supposed to be for mama. Oh my God. Duty free. Sa last natin na sa last natin na uwi, I bought this lipstick for her. But hindi natin na nabigay. Baka ma-expire na to. I'm just gonna use this one. We have to use this one. It's gonna expire next year. Early next year. So we have to use it. Ooh, we have a new lipstick. And then, alam nyo, meron pa. Ay, nako. Sorry, messy pala ng hair ko. Ito pa. Nakita ko din siya. It's the Amisha na Perfect Cover BB Cream. Oh my God. Kailan ito may expire? I'm pretty sure hindi pa naman ito may expire. I think I bought this one 6 months ago. Ayan. Oh my God. Ito yung gamit ko nung nasa work ako sa Cebu. I don't know. But yeah, I bought this one 6 months ago. So I'm pretty sure next year pa ito may expire. But good to see you guys. These are the stickers that we got sa Lainey na concert. Ito, nilagay ito ni Ayla dito sa laptop ko. So I just put the rest. Meron tayong bear dito. Ang cute, diba? Tapos nilagay ko lang. Ay, hindi mo makita naman. May bear dito. Diba sobrang cute? Tapos nilagay ko lang Lainey. And since si Ayla nakalagay na dyan, so hindi ko na siya tatanggalin. I'm torn between just using maybe just the ghost. We'll just use the ghost. How about that? Tining! Gagamitin ko to next time. Not sure saan, but yeah, I'll just keep it for now. Guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-wash ng face and I saw this one. Ito, binigay ni ate sa akin to. It's Beauty of Joseon. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's rice plus probiotics na may moisturizer and it's SPF 50+++. So, this is what I'm gonna bring sa ating gala. And yeah, buti na nakita ko siya. Because yung moisturizer na ginagamit ko ngayon, medyo ano kasi siya, very thick yung consistency niya. And minsan, parang nahihirapan akong parang super dragging siya sa face. So, might as well just use this one. And especially may SPF siya. Taga. Nandito ako sa lift galing mental health. Wala akong access. Hindi ako makalabas. Gusto lang. Ay, nako. Pa-handover na at this time. Nawawala pa tayo. Goodness. This is it. Alam ko na kung saan tayo pupunta. May mga challenges talaga sa ating last day, no? Ba yan?
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Guys, tapos na yung ating packing. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo kasi I'm in the zone. Very sleepy. Anyway, it's time to eat. Ay. Order tayo from Burrito Bar. We're just gonna have some burrito. Meron kaming ulam dito pero kung bukas na yan. This is the... Is that yours?
Yeah, you have that video.
Wala yung small ani.
That's it.
Mo na eh. Hindi ko ganawad ako. Kapagak. Paraan. Please, hindi lami. Yung akin is, cheese steak.
Philip
Ang Dapat we have fries. O pa ko katilaw sa steak.
Dako
Ano ganahan kong gamay lang.
Nasa sa sulod. Crunchy. Bell pepper mo.
Nalagay na namin lahat ng luggage sa car. No, isang luggage na lang yung kulang, which is yung akin, yung maliit. Hand carry natin na luggage. And then that's it.
itlog.
We are saying goodbye to this room and to this room and to this girl. Ay, hala na pa ice cream patay.
On the road.
On the road ka diha. This is it. This is really it. Thank you so much dito sa accommodation na ito. It's been good. And finally, we're off to our trip. And then after nito, another contract. So I'm just gonna close this vlog, guys. I'll see you pag nakapunta na tayo sa Sydney on my next vlog. Bye!